touching me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy to be. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm
Hello everyone, look how adorable these are. Today I'm going to be making these cutie pies here. They're so cute. These are mini gnomes and I've made these specifically for the last tutorial that we did with the Christmas home decor with Dollar Tree frames. Cute little mini house. I made these specifically for them to be in. So I love them. Let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. How stinking cute are these? They're so cute. Okay, what you will need for this project, you're going to need some poly plush, fur, beads, fabric, and you're going to need some rice as well. I did some templates and be able to make it easier to cut out everything. So you're going to need white cardstock paper, and this is for the hat, and that measures 4.5 inch by 5 inch. Here is for the body, and that measures, and this is the arms, and this measures 1 1/4 of an inch by 1 1/4 of an inch. Get the fabric and then lay your cardstock paper on top of the fabric and then cut it out that measurement. Do the same thing for the hat, same thing for the arms as well, and you're gonna need 2 fabric. What you're gonna do is take this to the machine, or if you don't want to sew this, you can always hot glue it around. I'm going to take it to the machine and I'm going to sew it. We're going to sew all the way down here and down here. Once you finish sewing, you're going to flip this inside out. And go ahead and get the rice. Fill it half with rice. Fill the other half. Take your glue gun, add it all the way around inside. You're going to squeeze that. Now we are going to be adding our beard to it, and measurements for the beard 2.5 inch by 1.5 inch, and we are going to be putting it right in the center. We're going to center it. So let's go ahead and glue that in place. I'll cut the little excess off. Okay, let's put the nose on there. And we're going to place it right in the center. Go ahead and make the arms. You're gonna take that and roll it up all the way. You get close to the edge, glue that. Then go ahead and do it all the way. Do the same thing for the other one. I'm gonna add the bead to the arms. Go ahead and place the arms. the same to the other arm. Okay, and let's go ahead and work with the hat. I'm going to take their hat and we're going to some glue. And fold that. You're going to fold it. Take a ruler and just draw a line. Sew all the way on that line. I'll try the hat on. So make sure it fits. Make sure the back is centered. And I like to pull some of it down just to give it a little bit of ruffle. And then I fold it over. So let's go ahead and glue this down. Start gluing the back of it first. If you don't want all the hair in the back, you can always cut it off too. Cut some of the pieces if it's too much. And we're gonna glue the back of hair down, make sure it's center. And then we're gonna glue the nose as well. And you can pull it down, adjust it to the length that you want it. Glue some of this right here. Just hold it down for a minute. And what I do, I stitch this in here just to give it a little, just so it can stay closer, so it won't be sticking out. I just get a needle and thread and stitch right inside of here, so hold it down. It's optional, you can glue it down as well. Let's go ahead and glue it down. And we can put a little charm at the end of it. Use a head pin as well as a cute little bead.